Good evening, class. This is Samantha Helms, and I will be doing my mission report on the planet Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from our sun, with an 888 and 0.2 million miles away from the sun. Because of its distance from the sun, its temperatures are lower than that of the planet Jupiter's, which we'll get into in just a bit. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. Its radius is 36,184 miles. You could roughly put about 750 planet Earths within the planet itself. It's not quite as large as the planet Jupiter, but it does have it. It's right up there, as well as being the last naked eye planet, or one of the last of the naked eye planets that we could see in the sky without a telescope. Just not in as great detail. The planet Saturn is mostly the atmosphere is mostly hydrogen with small percentages of helium, oxygen, nitrogen, and methane. As you go through the layers of the planet down to the planet's core, you will discover that as you go down, the temperature increases due to the gases within the upper atmospheres. It does contain more sulfur than the planet Jupiter, as well as the rings that do
because despite appearances, the rings aren't solid.
do exist. The rings are made of frozen ammonia ice and aren't more than 10 meters
Caught within the grasp of Saturn's
in
gravity,
distance,
the ring
or
mountains
not in distance, in
the orbits
length
of the planet
of how it's created. The most interesting fact that I discovered about Saturn is that there have only been 4 missions to the planet Saturn. We got the Voyager 1, the Pioneer 2. I'm not sure what the third one is. And then we got the most recent one that is going into orbit around the planet Saturn. To get more information. 3 out of the 4 missions have just been flybys of this planet, and the most recent one is actually getting into the orbit of the planet so that we can learn more about it. Do I believe that we should explore Saturn more? I honestly do. We've explored plenty of the other planets, and while it's not one of the planets that are attainable, it does contain some of the most interesting moons in our solar system. Moons that can become harbors of life, or can even give us a glimpse of what could harbor life or start life within our planet solar system, and that's Mimas and Titan is Saturn's moons, or 2 of Saturn's moons that show promise. Scientists should show more effort into finding more about Saturn. I do believe it's one of the more spectacular planets in our solar system, and something that we should put a focus on. And that's my mission report. Have a wonderful night.